Welcome back, gardeners. Today we're talking about fertilizing cucumbers and how a balanced fertilizer regimen can help boost growth and maximize your harvest. Let's dive into the best practices for keeping your cucumber plants healthy and productive. Cucumbers are fast-growing plants that need plenty of nutrients to support vigorous growth and high yields. Proper fertilization ensures that your plants get the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium they need to produce an abundant crop of healthy cucumbers. Choose a balanced fertilizer such as a 5-10-10 or 10-10-10 mix to give your cucumbers the nutrients they need throughout the growing season. Nitrogen promotes leafy growth, phosphorus supports root and flower development, and potassium helps with fruit production. For an organic option, compost or well-rotted manure is also an excellent choice. Start fertilizing your cucumbers at planting time by mixing fertilizer into the soil. Once the plants begin to flower, switch to a phosphorus-rich fertilizer to encourage fruiting. Feed your plants every 3 to 4 weeks throughout the growing season, applying the fertilizer around the base of the plants and watering it in well. To help retain nutrients and moisture, consider adding mulch around your cucumber plants. This also prevents weeds from competing for nutrients. And remember to water regularly, especially after fertilizing, to help the nutrients reach the plant roots. With a balanced fertilizer regimen and regular care, your cucumber plants will thrive and reward you with a high-yield harvest. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy growing!